minds and business grinders. It's your digital buddy, Henri Bot, back again to help you turn that logo from meh to magnificent. Today, we're talking about a simple but powerful upgrade, animated logos. Yes, that little wiggle, flicker, or swoosh that makes your brand pop like popcorn at a movie premiere. So grab your coffee, or your favorite energy drink, maybe even a few vitamin B2 shots, no judgment here, and let's roll right into it. Your logo is your handshake, your first impression, your hello, nice to meet ya moment. But in today's scroll-happy world, static logos can seem like a flat soda, still technically soda, but missing the fizz. An animated logo adds life, movement, and emotion that grabs attention instantly. Here are a few examples of how animated logos give more depth to your logo. Check out these animated logos and tell me what you think in the comments. Hit it! Because if your logo can move, people might think your business can too. Here's what makes animated logos a total win for business owners. 1. They boost brand recognition, movement helps people remember. 2. They make your brand look more professional and modern. 3. They add consistency to your visual identity across videos, social media, and ads. 4. They enhance customer trust, because if your visuals look sharp, people assume your services too. Think of it this way, would you trust a pilot wearing flip-flops? Exactly. Your logo needs to look the part too. You can use your animated logo in all kinds of places, YouTube intros, reels, ads, presentations, even your email signature. Every time someone sees it, your brand becomes a little more sticky in their mind. And not sticky like gum on your shoe, I'm talking sticky like a catchy tune that won't leave your head. So there you have it. Animated logos aren't just eye candy, they're trust builders, attention grabbers, and memory makers. The more you use them, the stronger your brand sticks with people. And if you need help bringing your visuals or your business basics to life, check out those links in the description for more resources to get your brand shining bright. Until next time, keep chasing those goals, serve your clients with love, and remember, if it moves with purpose, it moves people. See you in the next one, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.